Alright, what's up everyone? I just got to the island, as you can see. It's a bit windy. Actually, it's quite windy. There's choppy coming over here, but whatever, we're here now. Been through worse. See, I'm just starting to offload some crap. Let's turn this bag guy around. Alright, what's up everyone? It's lunchtime. Don't have my watch turned on because I'm a dumbass, but let's see what time it is. 2 o'clock. So definitely lunchtime. Forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, yeah, I'm having teriyaki noodles. So just gonna pour some water up. Maybe not. If that doesn't want to work, I'll have to get a fire going. Yeah, I did bring a sandwich, but you know what? It's cold out here, I can't be bothered to dick around with that. And now my light is not working. Oh, there it goes. Let's boil some water. This little thing should boil pretty quick. Yeah, let me go show you what I got for my lunch. So, we've got some cup of noodles, teriyaki beef flavour. So yeah, like I said, I brought a sandwich. I always bring extra food, and this is part of my extra food. But I brought a sandwich for lunch. I don't really feel like having a sandwich because personally I hate sandwiches and it's cold out, so I want some warm food. While that's boiling, look at that. Oh yeah, I already showed. I'm gonna go screw around on that. Trying trampoline in a minute. But yeah, we'll let this boil. Come back to you in a bit. Alright, water's boiling. Just turn this off. Crack this open. And make sure I don't burn myself. Oh fuck, that's hot. I'm not doing enough water. I'm an idiot. Fucking burnt my finger. Anyway, looks like I didn't do enough water. Jesus Christ. This day is a struggle from the fucking hammock to the... Can't even make lunch. Let's boil some more water real quick. And I just burnt my bastard finger. Odd a day, but any day camping's a better day than doing anything else. That bad guy's going. And I'll get back to you when it boils. Alright, looks like it's boiling. Boils quick. Not burn myself for a second time. Alright, that's all I needed. Seems a bit wasteful, but yeah. Stir it around and let it sit for 4 minutes. Alright, let that sit. Not leave that in there because it'll be crazy hot. Alright, so it's a lot less windy over here. I'm gonna have to move, but in the meantime, oh hey! Bloody hole in it there, but the rest of it's fine. Oh hey! Get this, living it up, aren't we? Trampoline. Got a bloody nice view. Oh, this is the most fun I've had all day. Oh yeah, this is sweet. Hey! Alright, quick update. I'm moving to over there because A, there's a trampoline and B, a swing, and well, C, it's a lot less windy. So way too windy over here. Although wind is dying down, so I'm gonna be kind of pissed if I move and the wind shifts. But doesn't take long to set up now that I got everything out of the bags. So we'll go move. See if these straps will reach. I do have some extras in my bag, but we'll see. I don't want to go from this tree to that tree. Oh, sweet. But we'll see if it'll reach. See how much of a twat this is going to be to set up. Probably a big twat. But we shall see. Rope. Always nice to have. I've only set this up once. What the hell? Oh. Right. I gotta put the hammock inside it. What are we on? We're on 1, 2, 3. Which, if you've ever done one of these, can be an absolute twat. It's got a zip on it somewhere to open it up, and I don't know what a zip is. That'll make this easier. Whatever. For now, feed in the actual hammock. It's a lot warmer over here. Sun, no wind. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm just hoping this island's got a lot of rats. I'm hoping there's no rats in this tonight. I'm a pretty heavy sleeper, but still. If there's rats, they'll probably just piss me off. But we'll see. Get in. Then you cinch it down. Why won't you cinch down? Don't tell me that's cinched down. No, I was going to say that can't be cinched down all the way. Alright. Aha, I found the zip. To be honest, I can just walk it along. Stick my arm in, maybe. Yeah. Come here, hammock. So we were on 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, turn round. Alright, we're in the money. Cinch this down. So now speeders get inside. Wow, this sucks. Whoever designed this system. It's crap. I'm gonna get some paracord and tie it around so no one can truly get in. Alright, and then I gotta do another damn ridge line. Oh, actually I've already got the rope. Haha, in my pocket. Hopefully this is long enough, because I went a long way. I've got extra paracord if not. Yeah, not going to be long enough. Jesus. Suppose he could just cheat. Nah, let's go get some more paracord. Christ. Got more paracord. Oh wow, and it's nicely wound up. I don't usually do that. Alright, let's get some off. How much do we need? I don't know. Uh-oh. Oh, you're joking. This paracord won't stretch like this other crap. Alright. Well, the battery died. The battery died, but it didn't miss out on much. I just tied the ridgeline. And apparently not tight enough. Idiot. Which end do I want to tighten it? Alright, like I said, I've ended up with all this extra now. But let's do 2 of those. To tie around into this. Oh yeah, no bugs for me, thanks. Don't want a spider in my crotch. Alright, let's see if we can put this bag on the inside. No. Oh, you know why? No, I don't know why. I was gonna say it's upside down, but it's not. That would have been funny though. Alright. Zip that back up. Let's get us off ground for now. Either gonna sleep like a baby or sleep like shit. Get all this hanging crap off the floor. Right, now that that's up, it's time to go clean that crap up. Oh, it's so much less windy over here. I don't know why I didn't come over here, but well I do, because I didn't know how high tide were going to come. But there we go. Alright, we've got rain fliper away. That were an absolute bastard to do. I just need to put away all the guy lines. I ain't putting this up tonight because it's not supposed to rain. And if it rains, it looks like I'm getting wet. 0% chance. But yeah, it's Florida, so it could rain. Alright, time to stick away all these guy lines. Yeah. We've got a clothesline to dry off his gloves because they're freezing cold and wet. Just look. would have been better if I made it straight, but I couldn't be bothered because that was just extras. Got my life jacket drying. I'm just moving all my crap from over there to right here. Not as windy. Actually, it's not windy at all over here. It's bottle number 2 done. It's important to always take your trash with you. So I've got a trash bag. Oh, hopefully the rats won't get to it. As I say, a bin bag, because I'm from England. I spent 10 minutes unwrapping all this bloody rope, and I took my jacket off because I was hot. It was originally 100 foot, minus what 5 foot that I cut off, and I've cut it into 3. Probably got like a 10, probably 15 foot section. I'm gonna burn the ends now so it doesn't undo itself. Alright, that one was already burnt. Much more manageable this way. Alright, I'll let that harden. Let's do another one. Right, we're having a quick move to just around the corner where my new camp is. Which means I need to get this anchor up, and this water's absolutely freezing, by the way. 67 degrees, which to me is cold. Didn't feel bad earlier, but I got hot. So now that cold water feels exceptionally cold. Alright, let's have a paddle over. Of course we're getting pushed onto the bloody beach. Bet you can't see shit, can you? Well, water's nice and clear. What's it's clear? I'm just keep going right there. In there. Yeah, water's nice and clear. All around. Crystal clear. Don't know if there's any fish. Actually, once I put this up, I'm gonna go have a fish. Yeah, we'll have a fish. See you in a bit. I move now. Kayak over there. Hammocks up. All my other crap drying out, and cooking utensils and firewood, because this island has a distinct lack of dead stuff to burn. Everything's live. It seems some people have cut live stuff down and tried to burn it, and it ain't burnt because stupid. But anyway, have a look at this fire pit. It's nasty. Obviously I've got look at that, it's disgusting. All that trash. I've got a potato and corn and all sorts of stuff that I need to cook on fire. S'mores. So I'm making me a fire pit. I'm gonna make it over here. So I'm not putting my food in that nasty crap. So I need to find some rocks so I can build me a fire pit. So I'll get to that and show you the results in a bit. See ya. This. I don't know if it's a fish or a snake. Skeleton. If anyone knows, let me know. Right, we're just gonna have a quick re-rig. Probably go for some top water. Yeah, we'll go for some top water. See what's biting, if anything. Probably nothing because the conditions are crap. Right, we'll get this tied on See if we can catch some fish. Damn swivel. Put that back in my tackle box in a sec. This is some light leader I got on. Oh well. It's not Stab herself pulling it tight. Well, I might be shit at putting a tent up, but I know how to tie a knot. Just go see if I know how to catch some fish. Actually, to be honest, I almost never catch at this bloody island. It's not the best for fishing. Alright, let's pick up that tag end. Where's it gone? Oh no. Oh no. Have we lost it? For fuck's sake. Yeah, we've lost it. Whatever. Let's go have a quick fish before it sunsets. What's that? Stick. Oh, sit down. Well, you might be able to tell, but the conditions out here suck. I'm gonna go around the corner where it's calmer. Yeah, good old Bixby coming in clutch though. Send that bad guy on and I stopped having to paddle. to get past this break. Should calm down. I'll be able to have a flick. Oh, at least that's the plan. Glass right off now. Look how clear this water is. It's getting dark so it's hard to see, but I promise it's crystal clear. I can see the bottom. Alright, let's give it a quick flick. See what we can catch. Well, that was terrible. Blame it on the fact my glasses are fogged up. Sunglasses. Super clean out here. Annoyingly, currents push me back into the beach. I should say pushing. Good thing about Bixby, just set it into the reverse and yeah, you can have a flick. It's alright, smack pelican. That water, look at that. Makes me want to go for a swim. Well, I would go for a swim if it weren't cold. I need to bring me snorkel and fins when it's summertime. This Bixby shines doing this sort of thing with it. Just point and go. Bloody hell, that's windy, that's going nowhere. Wow, I'm going backwards even though the Bixby's on. It's on a low speed, but still. That's how strong the wind and current is. I'm just glad I didn't have to paddle into it, because if you ain't got a shearwater you won't know, but this thing paddles like a barge. It's fast with the fins though. Let's get closer to the island. Ain't gonna get out here.